Now, 100 new hospitals will get their own oxygen plants with funds from the PM CARES Fund. That's what the government has said on Thursday amid a surge in coronavirus cases. Supplies of oxygen ran short in several states, but the government has said that India is producing oxygen at full capacity for each of the last 2 days, and it had boosted the output. Another 50,000 metric tons of medical oxygen will now be imported. That's what the government has said.